Minister Modi's big Vikas push amid Delhi dangal. BJP releases fresh poster on Prime Minister's Vikas push. Amid showdown over Savarkar College, Delhi Chali Modi ke saath posters has been out by the BJP cadre. They've put this out in Delhi as elections that close in the national capital. We're looking at the BJP in Delhi now pushing the BJP's Vikas and the policies that they intend to roll out for the national capital under Prime Minister Modi's leadership. This big Vikas push, all in the form of posters that's been erected in the national capital, Delhi. Aishwarya Paliwal joining us for more on that. Aishwarya, give us a take on the posters that we see where political parties, of course, facing off over freebies, policies, development and whatnot. Here you have the BJP fighting this election clearly under Prime Minister Modi's leadership. It's an assembly elections, Modi's face right there, and his Vikas push is being celebrated.
Well, definitely, Nabila, we've also seen this is the election on the back of the massive win that the BJP had in the state of Maharashtra, and that was followed by the massive win that they had in the state of Haryana. So we are now seeing that the face of the election will be Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and from today the actual campaign of the BJP will be kick-started by Prime Minister Modi. And it's also, Nabila, let me tell you something that a lot of people were asking questions about. People were saying that it seems like it is the Aam Aadmi Party that has a slight edge. We have already seen how the list of the candidates by the Aam Aadmi Party is out, but the BJP believes that its game has begun now, and from now on we will see a massive push. We will see talks about all the things that the central government has been doing. All those things will be brought to the fore, and this with regards to the Delhi elections. The BJP, let me tell you, Nabila, internally believes that the Delhi elections this time will be in its kitty. It's a 25-year drought. For the past 25 years, we have seen how the BJP has not been able to win the national capital. A very tough task at hand, but it is the Prime Minister's face that the BJP is now banking upon. Nabila.
All right. Thanks very much, Aishwarya, for joining us on that.